Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another adventure of Ranting with Wrenches. Today's question is, what is the ultimate street car? Joe, what is the ultimate street car? Surprise, surprise.
The ultimate street car, I would say, is a Honda Civic.
Ooh.
Ultimate street car.
Okay. Why?
It's like one of those. It's like a chameleon. It could go into, or it could blend into any aspect you wanted to make it into.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
All right.
If you want it all-wheel drive, you can make it all-wheel drive. You want it front-wheel drive, you can make it front-wheel drive. You want it rear-wheel drive, you can make it rear-wheel drive. If you want it fast, you can make it fast. If you want it slow, you can make it slow. If you want it to sit up high, you can make it sit up high. If you want to sit it, whatever. You get what I'm saying.
You won't die, you can die.
If you want it to kill you, it can kill you. But yeah, it's like because you know I watch videos, man, just videos of just Civics, just basically it could kill anything out there. It could kill, depending on how you set it up. It could kill, literally could kill anything. Yeah. It could kill. Anything. $200,000 car could kill. $500,000 car. $1 million car. $600, whatever it is.
Listen,
you name it.
If I pay $1 million for a car and I get beat by a Honda Civic, I'm driving you off the road. I'm driving you off the road. If I get a Lamborghini and I got beat by a Honda Civic, I will drive you off the road.
It's one of those cars you can make into anything possible.
Mm-hmm.
You could just make it into supercharged, turbocharged, natural aspirated. It's still fast. Like, what is going on? These cars are ridiculous.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. Easy to fix. Easy to find parts for. You know what I mean? Affordable. What more can you ask for? Huh? What more can you ask for? You can't.
Man, you can't. You can't really.
You know what I mean? 1 year, all right. I'm getting bored. All right, I want to make it fast. All right, it's too fast. Let me just take this off. You're done. You're done. That's it.
Yeah, so I would.
What do you think?
I would have to 100% agree with you. The 100. You just made the shortest episode of Ranting with Wrenches to this day. But you're absolutely right. You can drop any motor into it, like an hour or two of, a little bit of know-how, fabrication, and patience, and you can just drop whatever. I've seen guys, like you said, drop V6s into them, drop V8s into them, drop Subaru motors in them. I saw someone drop an SRT4 motor into it, an RSX motor, the RSX Type S. That V6 motor dropped into it.
Don't forget about the 20 different Honda motors you could get.
Right. Yup.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and all that.
Yup. And they're still going. You know what I mean? All like, and you're talking about non-turbo VTEC simply, just open up and womping on people. You know what I mean? Cars that got no business womping on. You just gut it and run it. Don't even gotta be tuned. Just gut it, run it, put an exhaust on it. And you out here embarrassing people for no reason.
Yep.
Motherfuckers dropping 7, 10, 11K into their car, getting beat by a Honda Civic with a K-tune and freaking a 3-inch exhaust. Backfiring like a motherfucker, bouncing off the rev limiter.
Yep.
It's annoying.
Racer Honda? Yeah. But it depends on how it sounds. If I know there's a possibility that it might beat me, or if I see something, I'm not racing it.
I don't care. I'm still going at it.
I'm not.
Because all I need is for you to miss that shift. All I need is for you to miss that shift, baby.
All you need is someone to be right there at the right time and see you get beat You never hear about it. The end of it. Hey, you let that rusted out Honda Civic.
But everyone knows.
Pushing 100 horsepower beat you.
But the thing is, everybody knows that no matter what car you have, you at any given day you can get beat by a Honda.
Yeah, it's like one of those unknown things. You know what I mean?
You get a EK hatch, line up with a decent tune. No reason, and just cattywomp. It's cattywomp on the motherfucker.
It's kind of like if you go on the beach, right? And you go in the water, and you know what I mean. You got your goggles on, whatever. You relaxing, and you go under. You don't see nothing right there. Yeah. Then all of a sudden you see a shark. That's how the Hondas are. You know what I mean?
Just be chilling.
It's hit or miss. You don't know if he's gonna eat you, or you don't know he gonna just go his other way.
Well, you see a shark. I don't give a fuck what you need to know. You get out. The problem is, despite what we know about Hondas, we still try to just smack them like it's a Honda. Nigga. Like,
that's a good
like your car weighs half as much as mine does, and you got half the horsepower, but you still whoop my ass. Like, I hate you. I absolutely hate you. And then you watch videos on track days. Fat front tires, skinny rear tires, gone.
Yep.
It is crazy.
Oh.
And then it does it like 4 or 5 more times. You got everybody else with V6s, V8s, V10s, twin turbo, supercharged. They're working on that car in between every run.
Yeah.
Honda come back, line right back up.
Sometimes they got 2 runs in them. That's it.
Yep. Two runs, motor blown, spun bearing, whatever.
Yep.
Hondas, race all day. And even if you want to tilt that H into an A, same fucking thing. Yep. You get yourself an Integra, or not so much the RSXs. The RSXs had some valve train issues, like the timing belt would stretch if you play up in the high RPMs too much. But the Integras, same thing. Integras and Civics, like, you piece of.
Yeah, they're the best.
Like, what's it? Like, freaking, what's it? Next week, I'm going to help somebody do a time belt. He's got EK coupe. He's got a D series coupe. You know, the one first Fast and Furious that drove underneath the truck. That BS. Got one of them. And he's got a 2000 Accord. I'm like, bruh, you don't need damn Hondas for it. This one needs a new gas tank, but it runs. This one needs a new motor. I'm gonna case swap it. And then this one just needs a timing belt. Other than that, it runs. It's already got a tune. That D series, this is a VTEC D series, bruh. I guarantee you, he could probably pull that car out, drive down to Strasbourg, and whoop somebody without thinking twice.
All right, what year is that car?
95.
Oh, yeah.
The 95, little tiny one, super aerodynamic, light as hell.
What is it? Like EG?
Yeah. Yeah.
I had one too. I had a 94. 94 EG coupe. That thing moved, and I had a B18 in it.
Yeah. So
I was with everybody. Integras,
bananas, bro.
Those things move.
And they're so light. They're so little and so light. Like, it's why? It makes no damn sense. But no matter what, it's like you love those cars, but you hate them at the same time. I don't even hate the cars. I'd be hating some of the people that drive the cars.
Oh, the drivers are the worst.
The drivers are horrible. horrible.
Let me tell you something about Honda guys, man. They
Talk
swear
so
they
much.
driving a Lamborghini or something.
Talk so much trash.
Then they be trying to do the Fast and the Furious crap.
I know. They try to drive on the pickup truck. Like, bro, that was a movie. But yo, man, it's undeniable. The best street car has to be the and I'm gonna modify my answer a little bit. Is the Honda Civic / Acura Integra? Because like you said, you can just do it's a Lego.
Yep.
It's literally a jigsaw piece that if you have the dedication, you can turn it into whatever you want. Doesn't matter. It's got space to, you know what I mean? You can do whatever you want with it. Like you said, all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, keep it front-wheel drive. V6, V8, flat 4, flat 6, inline 4, inline 5. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can throw whatever you want into that car and it just works.
Yeah.
All the time. It's crazy.
Yep.
So we're gonna leave that one here. That was quick, that was short.
Let us know what you think. What is the ultimate car for you?
Yes.
How you think it is?
What is your ultimate street car? Leave it down in the comment section. And as always, Wrench Daily.